Oh snap, I'm back. Oh my goodness, that took forever. And you wouldn't believe the wire mess that I have in front of me right now. But there's no time to be organized. I had to do this. I'm sorry. I finally set it up. That took forever. I was halfway. I had half a mind of just going to bed. I'm like, forget this. Forget this. But no. I want to do this. We're going to play some Resident Evil. Hang on. I'm going to put the volume down because I think it's too loud now. Alright. I'm going to tweet out the stream. And then we're going to get... Actually, you know what? Let's just make sure everything's working. Set video mode to PAL. I suppose it's this one. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now the game is definitely gonna run. You know what I'm gonna try? Hang on. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try something else. Hold on. Much better when you run it from a console. Definitely better. I was just getting lazy. I was just lazy. That's all. Alright, hang on. I'm gonna try something. Edit scene. No, I'm not gonna stretch the image because I'll lose the quality of the... I'm gonna leave it as it is. Maybe a little teeny tiny bit perhaps? Just that much. Alright. I'm gonna put the headset down, I'm gonna tweet out the stream again, and I'll be right back.
Coming in, you better check to this. Whatever made to this intro, no end to this. Tell you this, I'll make you miss. Y'all, whoever felt it, rock to this. Crazy attitude, rapper holds it up. You know me now, that's how I grab my trophy. Hot invention never stops. This is the sound of a heavyweight gun. Shot Nippon is the land I came from to give a handshake, no doubt. We gon' change this, y'all. Time is now, you better rock, roll back. Gun, shot. Shot, shot. Gosh, I got shot! 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 Gosh, I got shot! 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 Gosh, I got shot! Shot! Shot!
Okay, back. Phew. Okay, we're back. I made myself another glass of wine because I deserve it. Alright, from one stream to another, I managed to set up the PlayStation, hook it up, test it, set up it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. Okay, so. What I'm gonna do is this. Hold on. What I'm gonna do is hang on, options. I'm gonna see if I can put the brightness on. Monitor tuning, is this it? No, I can't increase the brightness. It's gonna have to be like this, which is very poor. Adjust the brightness of your screen so that the car can be seen. But no. Nope. I had no idea my PS2 controller vibrated. What's with the music video? Yeah, and the band sounds familiar. Who are they? I'm gonna try something else. Hold on, because the screen seems to be a bit. Hang on. Hang on. Trying something. I'm gonna try something. Edit. Scene. No. It's gonna have to be like this. That's alright. I'm not gonna complain. Maybe just like that. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna fiddle around with settings anymore because it's useless. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Easy, normal, hard. Let's go for normal. Let's go for normal. Let's play the cutscene again. Why not? Why not? And I'll have a sip of wine in the meantime.
Raccoon City, a Midwestern town in the United States, was destroyed when a substance known as the T virus leaked throughout the town. However, Umbrella, the corporation developing the virus, refused to abort the project. And once again, the threat of biological terror was thrust upon the world. A large amount of T virus was stolen 3 days ago when a terrorist group hit an Umbrella lab in France. Yesterday, one of Umbrella's cruisers was hijacked and contaminated with the same virus.
Why you American spies choose to use such ugly guns is still a mystery to me.
Morpheus. Think that cheap cologne you're wearing is going to your head. What do you plan to do with the T-virus?
I'm afraid that's all the playtime we have for today. You die. Now.
And that's it. That's it. And we're back. Wow, look how dark it is now. He's fast though. He's very fast. But it's very dark, my goodness. The graphics were much better on the emulator though, huh? Ah well, maybe that's why this is an obscure game. I can barely see anything. Even me. No, I can't see a thing, huh? I need to find a way to put the... We'll see. I think it's too freaking dark to be enjoyable, this game. I think... Oh well. I can't even see anything. I kid you not. I'm gonna see if I can... increase my brightness on my TV because I can't see a thing. The brightness is maxed out now, and I can't still see it. I still can't see a thing. No way. My goodness. Oh, yeah. I knew it. I knew it. Again? Uh-oh. I can't see a thing. It's not supposed to be like this, is it? Oh my, I can't even see him. He's... Oh no. Well, I tried playing this game, but it's not working. It's too dark. I can't see any. I can't even play it, let alone you guys to watch it. There has to be something. I'm missing something for sure. And the thing is, there's no way to get out of this menu now, or to exit the game. I'm gonna reset. I'm gonna reset. I don't care. This is not... Oh man! What am I doing wrong now? Let me try something else. Hang on. Elgato properties. Configure. Oh, hang on. There's a brightness option here. I didn't know this. I didn't see this. Oh, no. This is awesome. Much better. That's much better. Oh, my goodness. Hang on. But now... much better now, I think. Hang on a sec. There's an option inbuilt with Elgato. That's much better. Oh, look at that. Hang on. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. We're gonna fix this. We're gonna fix this. Don't worry. We are going to fix this. This is the minor inconvenience. I just need to center it. Hold on. Hold on. Something like this. And maybe something like this. Okay, I think it's much better now. I mean, I know it's too bright now. I know it's too bright, but it's just testing. It's testing. Oh my god, it was unplayable. I kid you not. It's better on my TV as well now, huh? It was just as bad. Okay, enough with the cutscenes. I'm done. New game. I'm gonna go on easy now, because that's what I say. Alright, let's see if I can... I'm gonna start the game first, get to the gameplay, and then adjust the brightness. Alright, much better. But I'm gonna lower the brightness because it's too bright. I know. Now I'm better. Now it's better. Can you see the difference? Oh my goodness. I never knew there was an Elgato preference when it comes to brightness. Let's see. I think this is fine. I think this is playable. I'm gonna look at the... Hang on. I'll look at the stream. Yeah, I think it's playable now. And watchable. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Done. Ah, I was close to ending this stream again. Finally I can play. It's 2 AM. I originally started streaming at midnight. No, it wasn't midnight. No, I'm lying. And look, he's running! Ah, man, and I can see! Alright, let's go. Now, much better. Ah, it's so bright now. Ah. Are those shotgun shells? Is that an herb? Oh, look at all these things that I missed earlier. Oh, I think I have a shotgun now. No. Oops. Hang on. How do I change weapons? There it is. Awesome. Okay. I deserve a shotgun after troubleshooting all that stuff. I'm sorry. That's how I roll. Oh, much better, Lucy. Welcome back, by the way. Much better. Look at this, look at this, look at this. He is running! He is running! It's not snail now. No, the drawback is that I can't shoot zombies in slow, so I'm gonna have to be careful. Come on, shoot. Shoot! He's gonna get back up. I'm gonna wait here. I'm gonna wait here because... Come on. There you go. There you go. Ooh, we almost got an upskirt. Did you guys see that? Oh, much better. I had a problem with the brightness. It was too dark earlier, and I was about to end the stream again. But then I found that the Elgato has a settings... Not a turtle anymore. Has a setting for brightness. The game doesn't have settings for brightness, and even my TV, it was all the way out. But I just couldn't see anything myself, let alone you guys watching, because you know how the Elgato darkens a stream. But yeah, dead aim. I know. That's why it's called dead aim, because it's dead. My aim is dead. And now I can see zombies from far away. Look at this. Aha! I can see zombies coming from far away now. Hang on. He's gonna get back up. I'm just gonna wait here. Something tells me the Resident Evil 7 is gonna be something like this, in a way. You know it's first person, yeah? Something tells me he's not gonna get back up now. Did I hear something? No. Is the brightness okay? Should I turn the brightness a bit more? There's plenty of brightness to play around with now. Oh, Varro, you are so sweet. Let's check this door first. Locked. I heard this game is very short. I could be wrong. Brightness is fine. That's good. That's good. Because there's plenty of brightness I can add now. On my TV, it's really good. And I'm looking at this at the stream as well from my monitor. It seems to be okay as well. Look at him running. Ah, I never appreciated running this much. Let's go through here. No, that's what I was trying to go. That's what I didn't want to go for actually for Silent Hill. This is where I came from. Hang on. This is where I came from. This is the door that's locked. I'm going around in circles, actually. No, I don't want to go for Silent Hill. I hate Silent Hill fog. I really do. It's the same door. I'm not going to go through that again. These are locked. I don't like the Silent Hill fog. I hate it so much, actually. I don't want it to feel... Because the thing is, I watched a few Silent Hill streams. And... sometimes because on YouTube, it tends to get a bit dark when capturing. So the game is already foggy as it is, and sometimes it makes it even harder to watch the game. I'm trying to figure out where I need to go next, because I'm already lost. This is the same door, is it? That's the same door. I'm getting confused now. Are these the same doors? What am I doing? I'm confused. No, I know it's a good game. I'm not saying it's not a good game. But it doesn't, I'm not gonna say it doesn't stream well, but sometimes it can get really dark and unwatchable at times when it's a stream. And I don't trust these zombies on the floor. Don't get up, zombie. Don't get up. Just gonna take this card. I said don't get up. You guys don't listen. Oh! Ah! Ooh, look at my aim. I'm running. I like that in the main hall there's zombies as well here. I like that. Ah! There we go. No, I agree, it is a jewel of a game. Ooh! Zombies everywhere! Run! Uh-oh. Oh my goodness, I'm getting lost. I'm going around in circles. Ah! Thank goodness zombies are slow. Alright, now then. I have to go through here. And the loading times aren't even that bad. Whoa! Zombies everywhere! By the way, this is I should have written it down in the description actually. This is 100% blind playthrough. I've never played this game before. Cutscene, I think.
$5 billion.
Yes. We have until midnight tomorrow. Retrieve the virus from the Maltese.
Wait, you saved me earlier. You're Chinese Security Bureau, huh? Looks like we're in the same business.
Same business doesn't mean same side, Bruce McGivern.
You already know my name. That makes sense since you're blackmailing both of our companies. What's your name? If cooperation is too much to ask for on our first date, might I suggest we simply stay out of each other's way?
Phone name. That's my name. And I don't date freshmen. If you really want to help, then go home.
Fasty.
should have left by now. Somewhere in America, there's a kitten stuck in a tree, desperately needing your help. Oh well, thanks for the present.
Funny girl. Now give me a hand. Falling! beauty and brains.
And you are just fun.
You will not destroy this for me.
Our party guests seem to arrive. Hurry up, Wally!
Enjoy your stay.
Not again.
I'll never die.
Oh no, I was muted. How long have I been muted? Oh my goodness. I've been muted for a very long time. No. Oh my goodness, how long have I been muted? That's hilarious. Oh my god, I've been talking to myself. Now that is a waste of time. Oh my goodness, I have this habit of putting the game on mute whenever a cutscene comes on. So maybe I can yawn or I don't know, whatever. Oh no! Bad habit. Welcome, Mr. Moore. I hope I've been welcoming people. And I've been been talking to people. I'm like, oh no, I have no idea how long I've been on mute. So yeah, it is a knockoff of Ada. I was acknowledging that earlier, saying she is a knockoff of Ada. Oh no, I don't know how long I've been on mute. There's people who said goodbye earlier. I don't know if I said goodbye to them earlier. I'm so sorry about this. I should stop muting my mic. Thank you so much for bringing that to my attention. Oh my goodness. I've been talking to myself this whole time. I'm an idiot. Oops, I heard something. Hello, Mr. Zombie. What the what? Where did they come from? Oh, come on, keep missing. No! I should have switched to my shotgun. Okay, no problem. Came from this area, okay. You know, the best part is, it already happened to me before. This mute thing. Such an idiot. With the right tool. You need the right tool to open a box. Ah, all of them, okay. I think the evil guy kind of looked like Wesker in a way. What is this? What is this? Of course there's zombies. If Resident Evil was anything like this, ooh, I shot him in the D. If Resident Evil 4 was anything like this, like instead of those Ganados we had zombies and it was like this, like I don't mind over the top. Ooh, hello. Hang on. I'll finish my thought after this zombie. I would have been okay with it, but I didn't like the fact that zombies were eliminated from Resident Evil 4 onwards. Nope. I thought I could destroy the glass, but nope. What is this? Nothing happens. Huh? I have the tool to pry open stuff. Crowbar. Let's read the report. Research report 2203-220329. Oh, look at them. Hunters. But they look different than the ones from previous games. This special elite version has been modified for presentation. Okay, that's why then. It is faster and more powerful than a standard hunter. Okay, that's why then. Uh-oh, I don't like that picture. It looks like a tyrant. The sample was created with a newly developed virus. It attacks objects with its huge arms, while its agility and strength power are outstanding. It currently has a fatal flaw because an essential organ is exposed. However, this will be rectified in future models. Okay, warning. Strict secrecy. Access restricted. But the ones we read before weren't restricted. These are the ones restricted now. We have succeeded in fusing the T virus and the G virus so that it has electrical properties. That's why he like became electric when he injected himself. However, after observing the prototype known as T091, we have to concede that there is much room for improvement. In this newest version, version 0.9.2, we have finally been able to achieve a high voltage current, which was our initial goal. Its electromagnetic barrier should make it near invulnerable. What? Electromagnetic barrier? Interesting. Now require a human test subject that matches the conditions to experiment on and observe. Okay. Even me. I love Resident Evil 2 the most. It's my favorite game. It's my favorite Resident Evil game of all time. Definitely. In fact, tonight I was contemplating whether I should be playing this or Resident Evil 2. I'm like, I've played Resident Evil 2 many times. But now I downloaded the GameCube version of Resident Evil 2 and it looks so much better. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It looks so much better than the one on PlayStation, so I'm looking forward to play it. Oh no, it's Electro Man.
Huh?
Turned into a chick.
A scared little rat with an ugly, useless gun.
Morpheus?
As I said, useless.
Oh, I'm gonna have to fight him, I think. Let's do this. Uh-oh. Run, buddy, run! Can you climb up the stairs, perhaps? Can you climb up the stairs? You can't! No, I found a flaw in the game, look at this. Headshot, headshot. I know. Oh. The guns are useless, guys. Nope, this is useless. I should heal up as well. I'm gonna try shoot her in the head. No, it's not making any difference. I noticed that too, Lucy, yeah. That's so weird. And even in Resident Evil Outbreak, it's the same thing. I don't know what that's all about. What? Ah, no! 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 Did you see that? Oh no! There's nothing in here of apparent use. Oh, come on! No! No! There's something in the boxes for sure. I need to open all those boxes. Oh, come on. There has to be something. Right behind me. Crewman's key card. Is that it? Is that what I need? The crewman's key card. What do I do with the key card? Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go with the key card? I'm trying to think. No idea. I'm gonna get... I knew it. I saw that coming. Okay, anything else? Maybe a weapon to take this guy down? Nope, 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 no! Okay. I need to be careful now. Still good, okay. Last box. Okay, I was hoping for a weapon, but no. I guess not. Run! Oh, there's another box here. Nothing. Let's go. I need to find the door now. What do I do with the key card? If I step by the door... Oh! No, wait! No! Which door did you come from? Is this it? There it is. Okay, good. I don't know I'm doing all this. Oh, I'm panicking.
What? I'll explain later. Open this door from the inside.
Oh, okay. So what do I do now? Oh, hunter! Hunters! But they can't climb the stairs. Haha. I'm not going down there. But you go down there without me asking you to. Don't go down there. Go back up again. Ooh, he damaged me. He still damaged me. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna step back, turn around, one way or another, and then aim, hard to aim because the game doesn't want me to aim. Am I hitting him? There he is. There he is. Still there. Still there. Oh, there it is. There's the cursor turning red. Still alive? Yes, you are. Wow. Wow. It made me jump too, Mr. Moore. It made me jump too. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. What is this? Uh-oh. Time I used to open the electronic locks on the cruise ship. There doesn't seem to be any power supply. Maybe there's a power control somewhere. Okay, that's where we need to start from then. But I need to take down that hunter first. There he is, right behind me! You can't climb stairs, you stupid creature. I'm trying to find a good angle so I can shoot him. Is he down? Yes, he is. Okay, it's safe. Another one? What? Wait. He's right behind me. I thought I killed him. Oh no. No. You know what? No, wait. Ah. I'm not even hitting him. I need to heal up, huh? Is that the power switch? No, it's just the red light. Yeah, sure, why not? So there was two of them actually. My bad. Now device brings the controls to power turned on. Yes. There we go. Now the zombies are gonna stand up, probably. Yes? No? No. No. Control panels over here. So do we just open the door?
How many times are you expecting me to save you, mister?
She's so annoying. I hate her.
What are friends for? I'm just trying to help you build up your confidence.
Don't grub.
Don't.
Shh.
I think he's given up. Wait. Before you said Donghua, what does that mean?
It means you are cool.
Now what? Where do I go? Hang on. There was something else I wanted to check in this room though. This other door. Okay, never mind. Now where do I go from here? What about these doors? Closed. Open. Uh-oh. Yeah, I knew it'd stand up again. Nothing. This room is useless. Well, we did get some herbs, so it's not entirely useless. Let's go. Out. Where did you come from? Oh, wow. Okay. Stay down. It's weird. Where did he come from? Ah! 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 You are gonna get it. Shoot you in the D. My other gun? Pew 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 pew. And my other gun's empty too. Okay, so it's just shotgun shells then. Oh, you. Hello, Mr. Zomb. I think when he goes, that means he's seen you, I think. Where am I supposed to go? I don't have a map. Nice. Wait a minute, this is the door I came from. What am I doing? Is it? I don't know. I'm confused now. Yeah. Wow. I suck when it comes to directions. So is it this one? A mod? No. Oh, look at that. There you go. Whoa! Don't dodge my attacks! No, it's not a mod, it's a full game. And welcome to the stream, buddy. This is called Resident Evil Dead Aim. Looks like... What did it say? What did it say again? Let's try again. So many people are not familiar with this game. It's weird. It's so funny. I don't know where I'm going now. I'm lost. Ooh! Haven't been here. I found the key. Is this the emblem key? Is this the emblem key? Hang on. Because I was looking for an emblem key. Can I check it? No? No, there's no way to check it. Dismissal notice. Somebody's gonna get fired. So, date 20th of August 1998 to the R&D division. Attention, Mr. Morpheus D. Duval. Upon investigation, we have concluded that you are responsible for the incident in Raccoon City on May 11, 1998. What? Really? He was responsible for the incident in Raccoon City? No. No. Your service with this companies are hereby terminated. However, your non-disclosure agreement shall remain in effect. Finally, your final paycheck will be fulfilled in accordance with your dismissal procedure portion of your agreement. Regards, Umbrella Corporation, Personal Division. So this guy is responsible for Raccoon City. Come on, really? I'm gonna save now. Let's go. I know where I need to go. I think. Map still doesn't work. Zombie. I want to check something real quick. It leads to a dead end. It still does. Okay. But what about this? Aha! Gotcha! I'm back here. Okay. Now, I need to find... the casino. There was a casino here somewhere, but I need to look for it. I don't remember where it was. Hey! Albert Wesker! What's up, buddy? Did you finish your stream? Or are you just Or just pausing the game so you can quickly say hi or something. Nice to see you, buddy. There's nothing up here. Let me see if it says something on the map where I can go to. 7 C's. I think that's the one. I think that's the one. That's where I need to go, I think. 7 C's. Yeah, has to be that one. Sabrina! Chase! Welcome, everyone. That's alright, buddy. Don't worry. It's the thought that counts, man. Thank you so much. Alright, let's find the bar 7 C's. This one's close, so no way. What about this one? Yeah, okay. How did your stream go? You were playing, was it Resident Evil? Ooh, hang on! Hang on! Hang on! Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh, hang on. I'll finish my thoughts as soon as I get out of this room, because there's a key I need. No! No! Ah! Serves me right. I'm gonna take out the big guns now. No. Just wait for them to stand up again. Are they done? Going once? Going twice? Sold. Okay. Hey, sir. What you doing, man? I'm gonna change guns again. I don't think I have any. No. Empty guns. I just have to use this one. Look at him twitching. Dude, you okay, dude? Dude, you okay? Say cheese. Okay. How's my health? I'm still fine. Good. Let's go. I love that zombies drop stuff. I like that. It's an interesting idea. Yeah, it still feels like a Weskerade anyway. Remaster. Yes. I did drop by for like 1 minute, but I'm like, oh crap, it's time for me to stream. Because I like to set the countdown timer, and the countdown timer tells me what time to stream. Recreation room key. So yeah, I'm playing some Resident Evil Dead Aim. It's you have no idea the hard time this game gave me to start streaming it. Oh my goodness. The thing is, I bought this game from eBay a while ago, and I've been meaning to play it for a while. But then I got lazy. I figured it's easier to just emulate the game. So I emulated it on my computer, and that was fine. But it was running very slow. He runs, look at him running. But it was too slow. He was just running in slow-mo. I'm like, no! I tried to speed it up. I'm sure there's a setting somewhere, but I couldn't find it. And it was getting on my nerves, so I decided to end the stream, hook up my PlayStation 2. There's so many wires right now in front of me. There was no time to get organized. I set up my PlayStation 2, and I restarted the stream. And it was really black. It was really dark. So dark. I mean, you know how it is. Sometimes you can see the game, but on stream it looks darker. But no, I couldn't even see the game myself. And it was even worse on stream. So, and then I found a setting in Elgato. Elgato has a setting, because there's no way to increase the brightness in the game. It just tells you to increase the brightness on your TV, which doesn't change anything on your stream. But then I found a setting on the Elgato, which I could increase the brightness. So that's why we're here. Oh, my laptop is running low on battery. I'm gonna have to hang on. I'm gonna put the headset down so I can plug it in. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. What is it? Major key. I like this. You put all your commands there, and I like that. So can I put inspire as well? Hang on, let's see if I can inspire again. Inspire. Is it inspire or key? If I do inspire, what happens? Yeah, there it is. Oh, I love it. Awesome. So speaking of unknown Resident Evil games, I have a bunch to show off. I want to play that Resident Evil 2. That Resident Evil 2 that was shut down by Capcom. I want to play that. So I came down the stairs, yeah? I came down the stairs. No, I came out of this door. Oh my goodness, I'm confused. I came out of this door. Alright, so let's take this door first. Oh, it's closed. Okay, never mind. Cannot open the door. What's the point of having all these doors? Let's go up. Ah, you turn around and he goes down the stairs again. No, that's not what I wanted to do. You dumb. I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna see if I can stretch the gameplay a bit more. Ah, poor zombie. Let's see if I can stretch the gameplay a bit more, because it looks a bit small. Hang on. Edit scene. Let's see if I can do that. Big. Yeah, something like that. I don't want to stretch it more than that because it loses resolution, and I don't want that. Yeah, I do have more 1.5s to show off as well. And I also have Resident Evil 0.5. Matt, I have 0.5 before Resident Evil 1 was released, like a prototype version of Resident Evil 1. He does, Matt, yeah. Is he gonna stand up again? I don't trust him. Check out this door first. Yeah, it's like Resident Evil 1. I only checked it out just a little bit so I can see if it works. And I went to the dining room and there's no clock there. Oh no, not Resident. Oh, I wish I have the Nintendo 64 version of Resident Evil 0. I don't think it exists, to be honest with you. Well, I think people made it. I think there are some guys who made it work, because I've seen screenshots and gameplay, but I couldn't find anywhere to download it. Some people make hacks and games, but they don't share them. The selfish people. Ship's log, 20th September 2002. It will be 4 months tomorrow since the Spencer Rain left port. I'm proud that we have been having a safe voyage so far. A representative from Umbrella, the owner of the cruiser, spoke words of appreciation to me. Something is strange. Although the crew has reported nothing special, I am concerned that the ones may be breaking free. The ones? I will make sure to always have my Magnum pistol with me. I can't send a signal of rescue. What should I do? The passengers and crew are all dead now. All I can do is accept what has been happening on my ship as my destiny, as my density. Hey Varro, welcome back. Yes, but I have like a pre-version of Resident Evil 0 of 1. So yes, there's like the dining room without the grandfather clock. Oh, zombies, 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 zombies. Yeah. Hello. It's the Hello, Captain. There you go. May you rest in pieces. Oh, he has something for me. What is this? What is this? I have no So where does this game fit in the chronology? In the trash can. I like that. Oh, there's the gun. There's the gun I was looking for. Magnum, thank you very much. And now for the ammo to go with it. I can't carry any more items. No! Hang on, I want to check what's behind the disc. Nothing. Nothing else. I like these. Oh, I can't get any more. That's fine, I guess. Still, I tried. Let's go. Now, which door did I come from? You see, I forget. Bathroom. Ah! Whoa, I was looking at chat. I deserve that. And you deserve that. Ooh, we almost got an upskirt. Did you guys see that? No, I'm not having a lot of trouble with the movement. The thing is, I'm used to controlling such characters with both analogs. One of them to move forward, and the other one's like to turn the way he's facing, like this. Usually use the right side analog joystick to do such movement, and then with the left one, you know, it moves front and back. So I have to get used to, you know, it's a bit tricky, but not trouble. I wouldn't call it trouble, no. Okay, Albert, take your time, buddy. Bon appetit. That was a genuine scare. That was a genuine scare. I'm gonna try this door first. Closed. Closed. Up the stairs we go. Zombie! Zombie, over here! Over here! Oh, nice, but I can't carry anymore. Ah!
arm can't be any good. Any idea what it's for?
Oh look, it's Ada. She's not Ada, but we're calling her Ada.
No!
We gotta get out of here.
Go!
Stay down. Wow. Super zombie. I still can't carry any more items. Hey Irving, welcome buddy. Oh, there's a timer, I just realized. What do I do? It's only a matter of time before the ship runs again. You don't make a time to turn. Okay, so what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Do I go through here?
I'll distract the monster while you run after Morpheus.
Got it.
Alright, monster. It's payback time.
Oopsie. Alright, let's do this. I got 7 minutes to finish this guy. Ooh, wow, nice. You know what? I'm just gonna sit there and blast you with everything I've got. Okay, hang on. I got 19 herbs. I think I'm okay. I think I'm gonna be okay. Let's go. Oh, too close. And I'm cornering myself in here. No. Hang on, I got a magnum gun. I forgot about it. Oh. Taking a breather. I know, right, Matt? His accent. Oh, well, look at that. Oh, you powerful man. Or whatever you are. Don't slap me in the face like that. That's the... Ouch. We're still good. I got 3 more bullets to go. Come on. Ouch. Yeah, I saw that coming. Alright, no problem. I got the shotgun. And I'm on caution again. Well, I'm gonna use my assault rifle actually. Let's go. Hang on. You have no idea how much the screen flashes when you shoot this gun. No idea. It's so bad. Oh my goodness. There should be an epilepsy warning for this game. Definitely. Oh no, we're gonna crash. What's up with those pants? Seriously, dude. Dude. Did you guys see them? Okay, so much for this game taking place on a boat. Oh, save room. I love this. Unlimited supply of ammo. This is unlimited supply, guys. I kid you not. You see a worn and battered notebook here. Let's read it. 1 month has passed since I was dispatched here. I am astounded at the sloppy supervision of this umbrella waste disposal facility. It's not surprising this accident happened. I know that if I must die, I want to die as a human. The supervisor here called Morpheus is so annoying. He drives me nuts. It drives me nuts. He must pay more attention to worker health management and biological weapons than anyone I have ever met. This facility belongs to Umbrella, but he obviously doesn't think so. I have no idea how long I've been here. I don't want to stay in this facility, but I can't move. My body won't move. He's paralyzed. Oh, you guys are funny, chat. You guys are funny. Look, guys, unlimited supply of ammo. Look, I'm gonna keep picking up. Look, until my inventory. That's it. I can't pick up anymore. But it never runs out. I can pick up as many ammo as I want. All right, I'm gonna save just in case the game crashes. Okay, it's not because I don't think I'm gonna make it. Let's go. A map. Yes. So it's the... Oh, look at that! Ooh, nice! Grenade launcher. Nice. Now we're talking. What's going on over there? What was that? This is the door I came out of, and there appears to be a door over there. How do I get to this door? I can't get to the door. Definitely. Okay. Hang on, I want to check something out. Oh, what's that? Oh, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. That's uncool. No, I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna go after it. I'm gonna make a run for it. No, 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 no. Nope. Nope, it doesn't die. Let me try with the grenade launcher. 1, 2. Play the movement. Is he dead? Are you dead? Oh, naked zombies. I just realized. Ah! Hey, Sapphire. You be lurking, my friend. Magnum rounds. No? Ah. There's another one of those creatures that shoots. I'm gonna handle him. Hang on. Let's get him. Hang on, up there, up there. Oh, ah. Up there. There you go. Let's see.
They're gonna launch missiles carrying the T virus at major cities across the United States. The Chinese are no longer in this with us. They've agreed to pay the $5 billion.
Then that would make Fong Ling's presence obsolete.
Fong Ling? Bruce, have you had contact with Fong Ling?
Yes, if China were to choose to cooperate with Morpheus.
In any case, the United States will not be threatened, and we do not negotiate with terrorists. The safety of our nation is in your hands. Good luck.
What the what? Look at that! Kill me! Now that's a good monster, huh? This creature from before is still around. It's too dangerous to go this way. It's the only door? Okay. What's that? Oh, zombies on the floor. Zombies on the dance floor. It's locked. Sector admin room. So I need to find the key. Didn't. What's that I see over there? Hang on. Zombies. Ah, come on! You can't catch me. Haha. You can't catch me. Oh, wow. Nice. Ooh, you deserve that. There it is. The game is not that hard, huh? You easily find the stuff you need right away. I don't think I'm gonna bother with this room. Okay. Is this the room? No, it's not the room. No, this is not the room I was looking for. Nope, wrong room. I forgot her name. What's her name again? Chongling? Is it Chongling? I forgot her name. Let's see. Chongling? Fongling. 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 It appears to be a pendant controlling the electronic clock for this sector. Yes, sure. Oh, it's the doorway. I just picked up the key. Okay, okay. The room which I wasn't gonna bother with. That's where I have to go anyway. This is it. This is the room, yeah? Yes. Let's go. Something tells me we need to open this. Oh! Oh! They're coming! I love this gun, but it flashes way too much, huh? It's definitely seizure-inducing. Do I go up here? I'm lost now. Yeah, looks like this is the right way. Feels like it. What did he do to her?
The government seems to care an awful lot about where you are. Not even their best agent. which makes you expendable. What are you going to do?
I'll continue my mission. Morpheus will live up to his end of the deal, even if we pay. But the people of China are still in danger. Oh, and since you saved me this time, I think I should say thanks.
Don't mention it. I'm a Dongguai after all.
He's a dong. Now where do I go from here? I came out of this door, yes, I suppose. There's no time to go back, you have to stop Morpheus. Oh, save room again. Aww. Let's save one more time. Biological report to more creatures, I suppose. This is a survey report on the changes to the BOWs which have been considered failures and have been disposed of in this facility. Okay, freak shows. Today I will locate the observation area to be underground. This area is low on power and so most areas are very dark. I assume creatures fond of dark places must inhabit this area. Okay, thank you. Okay, we saw red shining objects. They look like the eyes of some creature, but we have not confirmed the entity yet. It moves extremely quickly and runs away as soon as we approach. I named this creature Glimmer, or its glimmering eyes. In order to collect samples, I had some workers go and try to capture a glimmer. However, the plan did not work out, and instead the target attacked them and 2 people are now dead. May 22nd. I increased the number of workers in order to try to capture a glimmer. This time they succeeded in shooting down one of them. According to the workers, the glimmer will open itself up just before it goes to attack. Although it's dead, I have gained valuable samples. I've been examining the collected samples, but I don't have any idea as to how the glimmer evolved and transformed into this figure. It seems it is a subspecies of hunter. Oh. I, however, need to research this further. Subspecies. There's something else stuck in here. Experiment. Is that an alpha log? Ooh, yeah, that's creature, the one we saw earlier, the fat one. Today I'll begin the experiment. The subject is codenamed Criminal. This subject is a codename. Criminal called Alpha. It has been 1 month since the subject was transported to this facility. He is not exactly aware of what is going to happen to him. However, it seems to be frightened. Day 1. Commence experiment. We hammered a metal rod into the subject's frontal lobe in order to alleviate some of the pain. This was done only for humanitarian reasons. Removal of eyeballs. We have removed the eyeballs in order to observe its reactions to external stimulation. Dose of muscle booster. After administering the muscle booster, we confirmed the unusual development of the muscles. It gained a drastic amount of weight before the treatment. In the future, we will consider using hampering items. Sharpened hearing. In effect of the eyeball removal procedure, it has been enhanced. Let's read that again. It's taking forever. An effect of the eyeball removal procedure has been an enhanced sense of hearing. It recognizes precisely where a sound originates and its distance from the sound. Day 41. Experiment suspended. The experiment has been suspended due to the fact that the subject has escaped. Oh, even without its vision, the subject is quite dangerous. We should use extreme care not to make sounds when we try to capture it. Ooh, so it's blind, but definitely not deaf. Let's go! Wow, getting sleepy. Okay, so I came out this door and this door. Okay. Oh, hang on, hang on. Why did I use my grenade launcher? No! Like, why are they going explosive after I shoot? That's why. What is that? Oh, they're fast. The glimmers. You're not dead yet? Oh! Can I kill these guys? What the heck? They're dead. Oh my god, take forever. Let's take a look. Let's take a closer look. Okay. Yeah, they're like mini hunters, but they glow. And they're very agile as well. Ah, more glimmers. Hang on, what if... I'll try something. Oh, I don't have... how it's done. There's a glimmer over there as well. Ooh, wow, fast. Glimmer. Wow. Yeah, he's gone. Maybe I shouldn't bother with these creatures, I don't know. Ouch. Oh wow. More glimmers. I'm gonna run. Whoa, there's 4 of them now. No, 6. Oh man, so many. Ouch. Not gonna bother with all these. More of them. Ah! Oh, come on.
Yeah.
I need a key card. Oh, no. I'm going the wrong way. No. Ah, it's probably locked over here. Yes, I knew it. Thank you. It's locked as well. Alright, let's see. I'm officially lost. I have no idea where I need to go now. I need the key card. There's no point in going in there again. There's a lift over there. No. Let's see if I take this door. There's another lift over there. Let's see. Something on the other side of the corpse. Yeah, what about it? Whoa, 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 whoa. Are they dead? Gonna come back up? They're dead. Now what's this? Why can't I reach the other? You see something on the other side of the grating? Yes. A corpse. And that's it. Can I go in? That's weird. What do I do? What do I do? Strange, what do I do then? If it's over there, and there's a lift. It's very strange. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm gonna try something. I don't know. I'm gonna try something. I can't open the door. Hey, Francesco. Welcome, buddy. Welcome, welcome. There's no way to open this door. Now, where do I go from here? Did you mean these earlier, Sabrina? Is this what you meant? What are those? Those are glimmers. They're like a variation of the hunter, apparently. So many of them! Hang on. So I'm over here. I'm gonna try something. Ah, dang it! Am I going the right way? Yes. And now... I'm not. Keep going straight. Taking the elevator back up, back down, yeah. Oh, you see, I knew it. Another way round. Can I open this door? You cannot. Can I open this gate? You cannot. I have to take the long way around again. Vloggy! Hey, True, what's up? Yeah, I know the feeling. Crap Wi-Fi. I know the feeling, buddy. Thank you so much for stopping by, buddy. I bet you've never seen this game before. Okay, is this the right way? I think so. I'm forgetting already. Yes. Run! No, which way? I need to head to a lift. Okay, head to a lift. This way. Oh. They are very fast and it's hard to shoot these guys. There's another one. Okay, now... Okay. We made it. This door. Here we go. Oh, it's the blind thing. And I'm gonna have to fight him. Hang on, I know what to do. I have a silencer gun, so maybe I should use it. I don't have ammo! Ah! Hang on, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna reload this one. And let's That should free me up. There we go. Now equipping. No! There we go. Hang on, be careful. No, you're flinching. He looks like a Pokemon. Am I supposed to kill him? Oh, the elevator's wow, he's fast. See ya through. You know what? I'm gonna use my strongest weapon. I only have 1 bullet, but anyway. That's all I have. Let's go. Oh, wow! You know what? There we go. What's he doing? Doing? Ah, no bullets! Run! Wow, this guy's fast! Oh man! Alright, let's do this. Okay.
The missiles are below this room. We don't have much time. Let's go.
It's Morpheus!
Morpheus! Go, go, go!
Ah, it's Fongling again. Time to fongling. We're in the labs now. Interesting. It always has to end in the Umbrella Labs. Assuming this is the ending, I don't know. That's strange. Where do I go then? Okay. It appears to be the terminal for controlling the power supply within the facility. A message pops up. Currently running on emergency power. Press the restore key to return to the main power. Yes. Emergency power mode off. Oh man, it even activated the zombies. Really? Really? I was trying to conserve ammo. That's right. So little. There you go. Good boy. I thought he moved. But I know all of them are gonna move now. Hey Raven, welcome. Welcome, welcome. We're playing some Resident Evil Dead Aim. Ah, the elevator's here now. Let's go. Ooh, lovely lab. No, this guy. Ada? Fongling!
Fongling.
Alright, so we came out of here. Hunters. What? Did I not have ammo? Stay down! No bullets. Okay, I need to change gun. Okay, let's start from this door. I'm assuming we are on the first floor, so I'm going second floor. So many doors! Research report 220120. Oh no, more creatures. A being that has an external skeleton of a horseshoe crab and the survival power of a cockroach. Okay, we have confirmed that its ecology is similar to ants and or bees, which have known to work in groups. That's it. Okay. Oh, I just broke my... Did you guys hear that? I just broke my wine glass. I'm upset now. I broke my wine glass. I kicked it with my foot. Ah well. No point in being upset. Hang on, I missed the voicemail though.
Because thou hast obeyed my voice.
No, 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 no. Oops. Uh-oh. Oh, come on! Oh, you're kidding me. Okay. Okay, since I'm at the safe room, I think I'm gonna call it. It's 5:15 a.m. here, and I need some sleep. I'm gonna continue this next time, for sure. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go. Thanks so much for everyone that hung out. I'm gonna switch everything off and sleep. And I need to be careful when I step up now because there's glass everywhere. Thanks so much for hanging out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!